Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We have a very exciting day today as it is mandatory bring a friend to stream day. It is raid day. We will be raiding multiple different DeSci communities here today in the live stream to entertain us while Bitcoin decides to find a bottom and continue on this bull run. I am not convinced that was it. The peak, in my opinion, was not $108,000 per Bitcoin, which means the inevitable next leg up is brewing. The longer we consolidate, the higher we can go. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Hopefully you guys are all here and ready to shill your favorite DeSci projects. This is a relentless shill day. It is DeSci Raid Day. I'm actually very excited for this one. This one should be very interesting. We got a couple pieces about decentralized science that we're going to go over in today's live stream, some news that was coming across my feed this morning, and then we're going to get into the raid. So hopefully you're all ready with your glasses of water and your small feline creatures next to you. This one does not like to be picked up, so I shall not be picking her up. But good morning, Zach. Good morning, Thuna. What's going on, Remy? How's it going, Steven? Tank, I see. I've not seen your name in quite some time, my guy. Scott Explores, welcome back to another live stream. Dawn, Beagle, That Investor. Oh, wait, that's me. Zaj, Martian, FRK, Spectruth, Ricardo, DeSci on Sui. It is a cook. I love that one. Can we call it Shameless Shill Day? We could, but that would be a little bit discriminatory to people with a lisp. Shameless Shill Day makes me feel a little uncomfortable saying it super quick. But all right, before we get into it, let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. If you see, we came down and barely tapped the lower bound of this channel today, and it has had quite some strong momentum going up. If we zoom in on a closer scale, the 1 hour chart, you'll see that we quickly, all we did, right? We rocketed from the bottom of the channel all the way up, kissed the top of the channel, rocketed all the way back down to the bottom of the channel, kissed it, and we're finding a bit of momentum here on the hourly. We're trying to break above the 20-day moving average or the 20-hour moving average. We'll see if we can actually pull that off and continue to try and retest the 200-hour moving average. We will have to wait and see. I have no idea. We're just going to have to be reactive, but ultimately, whatever projects are doing good on bounces like this are likely going to be the projects that will continue to do good in this next leg. So a little bit of a tip for you guys, take a look at the projects over the next 24 hours. If Bitcoin does get a nice bounce here, take a look at which projects are making the strongest moves, because those are probably going to be the ones that you want to pay closest attention to. Water, I'm 4 pints in. Let's go. Let's go, Emily or Emile. I don't know how to pronounce your name, so I'm just going to pretend that I did it correctly the first time. Hack is up on the day, bullish. We love to see that kind of momentum. Let's see. Basically, everything in my portfolio is down, which should say something, but Pyth AI is up, and I don't see Hack. Oh, wait, I don't have Hack on it. H4CK. Let's see. This one is such an easy... Okay. I don't know in what world you think down 33% is up on the day, but let's go ahead and entertain this idea. Yeah, sure it is, Spec. Sure it is. Damn, what a pullback. What a pullback. This one is honestly a very unique AI agent, but we're not here to talk about AI agents unless it is Bill, the DeSci guy. That is the only AI agent that I will talk about today because it is the first DeSci AI agent. A little fun fact for you guys there. Okay, let's get into it. So first up, let's set the tone. Data Lake reposted Binance's post here. GM is approved by science. We have gallium and magnesium. Say it back. Gallium and magnesium. GM, you guys. There we have it again. Binance shilling decentralized science. Binance wants DeSci to succeed. That is a God-given fact. Next thing up I want to talk about, you guys, is the Biohacker DAO official 1 year anniversary coming up on Monday, January 13th. Mark your calendars for their TGE of the token. Most of you guys have probably already gotten into this on the juice box. I think the juice box is already closed out. So if you haven't gotten into it, you're going to have to patiently wait for the launch of the token. It's okay, Martin. We'll forgive you. We will forgive you. As you guys come into the live stream, though, I would greatly appreciate it if you would, in fact, hit that thumbs up button and like the live stream. We go live Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, to talk about decentralized science and the broader crypto markets. Bitcoin chilling a little bit down today, nothing too dramatic. Decentralized science chilling a lot down today, down 3.7%, a little bit better than the 25% decrease we saw yesterday, but a lot of this move is driven by bioprotocol as it tries to find the floor after launch. So we'll see what happens with that. I will say that they did some pretty exciting news today. Same with VitaDAO. VitaDAO and BioDAO both had some pretty exciting news as it pertains to increasing liquidity. Welcome in, Zai. Welcome into the members. Those investors, welcome. We're happy to have you. W in the chat. W. Let's go. It's exciting. We are seeing some exciting times. I'll go ahead and just tell you. Bioprotocol is now bridged to Solana. They are using the wormhole portal to open up the liquidity into the Solana ecosystem, which is beautiful. They're also going to be doing Base if they haven't done it already. And VitaDAO here just got permission from their DAO to bridge to Solana as well. So that is super exciting. Let's go, C90. Let's go. You're doing good at your job, Patrick. Thank you, Truth. Thank you. Appreciate that. It's all right. You are never late. A wizard arrives right on time, C90. And who was the other person who said they were late? Both of you guys. Martin. You are never actually late. Yo, 3,000 subs. Do we actually have 3,000? Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Those investors are growing. The DeSci Shillers movement is taking action. Yeah! Do you like the thumbnail? I'm gonna get better. This one was put together in like 4 minutes, so I'll try and get a little bit better at it. I kind of like it though. I got me and my little horse here, my companion. The cat's gonna try and get out any moment. All right, back on task here. Another thing we need to pay attention to, I'm gonna let the cat out because she's gonna freak out if I don't. 10 is okay. Come on. I'm ready. Okay, we're back, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully you guys didn't get too scared off. LOL, I have gifted it to no one. We've reached max subs. You should... Yo, should I email the thing to Noble? What do you think? Yeah, MJ, it was golden. Send it. Absolutely send it. That was a golden thing. You did a really good job writing that. Truly. There we go. Michael got the membership. W. Michael, welcome in to the club. The cult, dare I say. But you guys have been waiting and looking for pre-sales. The pre-sale market is hot AF. However, we did have a little bit of a horror story the other day. I just saw it in the Discord this morning. Be careful to read the actual terms that you're getting involved in when you're doing some of these raises. A certain someone in the Discord put 5 bands into a raise, but the raise was dynamic. It was on DAO Maker, or DAO Launcher, whatever the hell the name is. It was an IDO, and it was for Zaya on DAO Maker, and it got 1.2x subscribed, meaning their 5 bands turned into $280. Before the token even goes live, they're down 95%. Be very careful that you guys actually read and understand fully what it is you're throwing your money into. While some pre-sales might be super advantageous to get into, not all pre-sales are made equally. And that is by far the truth here. Long COVID Labs, we'll have to see how this one pans out, but it is the next in the bioprotocol ecosystem to initiate the raise and to initiate the launch of the token. They will be getting 1% of the total supply. 1% of the total supply will be distributed to bio holders who participate in the auction, which is pretty cool. This is the first raise post bio launch. which is really actually amazing. Long COVID is a disease that affects 100 million people worldwide, yet research has lagged behind as pharma sits on the sidelines, probably because they messed up drastically with the vaccination, but that's okay. I'm not allowed to say that on live, otherwise I'll get demonetized and taken off the platform, and I can't afford that because it's the only way I can communicate to you guys aside from the Telegram and the Discord. I would pay close attention to this one, as these raises coming out of Bioprotocol, or really anything related to Bioprotocol, are likely going to do pretty dang good, including but not limited to the Erectus DAO sale, which is starting to generate more and more traction. Hopefully we get to the minimum cap of 1.5 million so we can go live with the token, because I do believe this token is going to do very, very well. I actually just put out a post on it, kind of outlining all of the people who are involved in this, and it is insane. You have me and DeSci Girl, then you have Eli from CryoDAO and HydraDAO, and then you have Joshua from DeSci World, and then you have this guy, Hugo, who is actually practicing in the field that is related to Erectus DAO. It is urology, right? And then we have 3 contributors from VitaDAO, which I didn't mean to actually post this thread yet. I hadn't finished proofreading it, but X decided I was done with it and posted it for me. And then we have CryoDAO and HydraDAO with Austin and Kai. And then we have AthenaDAO with Laura. We have HairDAO with Andrew. We have ValleyDAO with Albert. We have Molecule, X Molecule with Lutz. And then we have literally the entire Juicebox team. This is actually shaping up to be a very, very stacked team, and I didn't even finish posting all of the people or all of the announcements that I wanted to make. One thing I do need to mention, though, is that, let's see, I'm getting spammed by this dude about Dynex, which is funny AF. I cannot save his bags. I'm offering to buy them from him for a discounted price, but he wants me to pay $1 for them. Where is it? There we go. Is it garbage trash? Yeah, look at, I'm getting actually like harassed. Let me like that comment. Zaya will like this comment. Hold on, guys. There's a point to this, I promise. AI on quantum computers will be nuts speed-wise. I agree. There we go. LOL Erectus, the great sperm race. This feels like a joke. It kind of is a joke, but it's so true still. There we go. Here it is. Why am I not surprised? Same Molecule DAO actors, just different names, announcing new Erectus DAO. Same formula. Presale tokens, dozens of bots hyping the launch, stage funding announcement on Twitter Spaces, same internal people funding the launch, Anon bros falling for it, then coordinated dump. After that, change the name of the DAO and repeat. Got it? Right. So this guy coming in salty, clearly he is a epitome of retail, but let's initiate the raid, guys. Everyone go pretend to be a bot and spam the F out of this guy's comments, okay? Don't be mean, don't be aggressive. Let's just, underneath here, let's just like pretend to be bots so that he feels like he's correct with what he's saying. Let's bot attack this guy, all right? All right? If I've ever seen a Fed, that's what it would look like. Bots, you say? Question mark. Go, 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 go. This is how you deal with the spam people, the people who just kind of talk, you know? You think Molecule is taking the Molecule is a multi-billion-dollar company, maybe not yet, but you think they're just out here spinning up random DAOs and just like changing the name a week later and then going on and trying to create, like, suck liquidity from the market? Their Molecule is probably the #1 decentralized science contributor in the world. They are doing the most for the space out of anyone, and I mean that by like association with all of the projects associated with Molecule. Let's go, Zaj. Let's go. Yeah, another donation. LFG. Those two dudes look like they are dressed up as old-time Westerners about to pan for gold. Any updates on Bill? Yes. Expect an update hopefully out tomorrow. And yeah, a lot of exciting things going on. A lot of exciting things. The partnership will not be announced tomorrow, but expect the update tomorrow to give you guys some insight on what's going on. LOL C90. I love this. It's a pyramid. There was another account that started harassing me about being a scammer, which is bullish. I love when they start getting angry again. I think he deleted it. I will follow up on this. What is this? Maybe not. Maybe it's no longer here. Okay, on to the next thing. And today, guys, want to join the coordinated dump? DM me. Oh my God. I love that, Beagle. I love that. Bullish. So, let's keep going. Let's keep going. We have the Long COVID Labs. We also have something that I'm not really familiar with. I have not really looked into it too much, but they tagged Pump.science, and it looks like a new token is going to be launching on Karma.fun, which, again, I'm not super familiar with what this is, but I've seen them twice, and you guys know my rule. If I see a DeSci related project, I follow them. If I see them come up again, I will look into them. And so I figured we could look into it a little bit here today, as it appears to be something like Pump.science, but it is Karma.fun, which I have no idea. Why does Karma.fun matter? And then we'll get into the raid, guys. I know you guys are here for one thing, and that is to shill your bags. We have a little bit of a teaser raid going on right now on that one person who was spamming me. Oh my God. We're going down the dangerous meme hole. Gentle souls, you have been warned. Warned. Okay. All right. I'm done with this website. We're going to get censored off. On to the next thing. Molecule. New VitaDAO compounds are coming to Pump.science. A few years ago, VitaDAO launched the Longevity Prize with a mission to find new longevity compounds to accelerate research. Now these compounds will be tested on Pump.science. Here is the full story. The Longevity Prize, co-initiated by VitaDAO, Foresight Institute, and M Foundation, with support from Vitalik and this guy, Stefan. The Longevity Prize crowdsourced compounds with the hopes of finding the next longevity breakthrough. VitaDAO is now putting these compounds to test on Pump.science. So get ready for some more riffs and some more euros. Be very, very aware, because I believe it's starting in February. They will be doing the next rounds of riffs and euros for the market. You guys saw what happened to riff and euro. If you guys took that little leap of faith, you could have gotten into something like riff at a $5,000 market cap, because it was chilling here, down here for the better part of 2 months, down at a $5,000 market cap, and then it absolutely exploded and kind of propelled decentralized science into the limelight. Well, they are starting their next rounds of molecules. They are also starting the mice experiments. I believe they've already initiated, and yeah, the bleed is looking pretty brutal, not gonna lie. Hopefully it can turn around at some point. Euro, I think, is looking a little bit better. Still down 3% today. Yeah, Euro's holding up a lot better than Riff is, but it is still, nonetheless, another little bit of a bleed recently. I still do believe we'll be hitting all-time highs again. I think that these two compounds are not over yet, and I think that Pump.science is going to do everything in their power to make sure that they are not over, because it's kind of like their little chairman. I believe 5% of every future Pump.science project, they're going to take 5% of the supply and give it to holders of Riff and Euro. So just a little bit of insider information that is totally public, so it's technically not insider information at all. ChatGPT is bearish on Karma.fun. Is this true? The token's price is approximately a bunch of zeros at 295 with the market cap around $5,700. Oh, I have no idea. I didn't know that their token was live, if they do think it's live. What do you think about Erectus DAO? Go back a couple minutes in the live stream and you will see what I think about Erectus DAO. I think it is a bullish project. I think the team is too stacked to ignore. More likes, please. Thank you, Serious Punch Samson. I appreciate that. We need more likes. For the long COVID labs raise, what if my bio is on Binance Exchange? Do I still get 1%? Probably not. Probably not. The exchange will get your 1% allocation. Yeah, the exchange will likely get it. Don't hold anything on an exchange, period. End of discussion ever. An exchange is a vehicle to accumulate or sell tokens. It is not a place to hold your money, period. End of discussion. Get it off the exchange now if you value your financial freedom. That is coming from someone who lost a disgusting amount of money when the exchanges started going bankrupt at the end of last cycle. So do not. There's just no need. It's riskier and there's no advantages. Okay, guys. It is currently 12:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which means it is time to initiate the raise. Okay? We get 1% of the long COVID token. They said it right here. Long COVID Labs will distribute 1% of our token supply to bio holders who participate in the auction. Okay? You have to participate in the auction with wrapped Ethereum and be holding bio in order to get a slice of the pie of the 1%. Okay? So you're not going to get just 1% of long COVID Labs. It's not feasible. They're taking 1% and they're distributing it to bio holders who happen to partake in the auction, because that's one of the use cases for the bio holders is participating in the auctions and getting to decide what new projects come up from bio. Got it? Oh, sick. No pun intended. LOL. Pun always intended. Pun always intended. Bill Nye. Hell yeah, baby. Hell yeah. Okay, let's get into the raid, guys. So for the raid today, we are going to be picking a DeSci group that we're going to join, and we're going to just start shilling DeSci, okay? So the question is, which group do we want to do? I was thinking we either do Dynex's Telegram group. I want to keep it on Telegram because it'll be the easiest. Raid Bill, WTF. Do you guys want to raid Bill? I was thinking we raid Dynex, we raid, and this is like an option, Dynex or AthenaDAO or Bill or the Erectus raise or Biohacker, although the Biohacker group is hard to get into, so it'd be a little bit too difficult. But let's see, who should we raid, guys? Psy was on that list as well. We could raid Psy, we could raid Wellshare. Let's decide who we want to raid. I'll do a little bit of a poll here. Start a poll. Who to raid? You want to raid Bill? You want to raid Psy? You want to raid Dynex? You want to raid, who else would we raid? Can we shill other projects in there though? Probably not, Beagle. It's honestly, we might get in trouble if we join and start shilling other projects. So it's kind of just there to like spark excitement within these projects. We could go, if you guys have ideas for who we should raid that is not in DeSci, I feel like I have exhausted my ideas of people to raid, and we've actually cycled through and started raiding them over again. So if you guys have an idea for a outside of DeSci raid, do any of you guys exist in communities outside of DeSci? Because I don't. So I don't have that arsenal of people that we could raid. But it'd be a lot easier to raid them because we could go in and just shill any DeSci token. But what do you guys have for an idea? Better plan first, all buy Psy and then raid. Oh, we exist, LOL. Yeah, see, I don't. I do not exist in anything that's outside of decentralized science. If it doesn't aid in DeSci in some way, I'm not part of their community. Except for Creator Bid. We could go raid Creator Bid. Does Creator Bid have an open chat? Because Creator Bid's actually getting very, very close to their token launch. The new Creator Bid Dune dashboard is live as of 2 days ago, and then they have The creator agents launches are coming to curated agent launches are coming to creator bid. Read the instructions carefully and submit your application only if you meet the criteria. Only the most innovative and elite agents will make the cut. Welcome to the next generation of AI agents. Nice. You only know some day traders. Yeah, they probably won't be super intrigued by DeSci. Oh, we exist. My project is brand new. I could always use some friendly support. That is true. We actually could go raid some Spec Truth stuff since he is a loyal member of the chat. Why am I Spec Truth AI? A little bit of information. You might want to pay to get verified. Oh, or you could just have people who are not stupid. There we go. We could go raid Spec Truth's AI agent. Their chat is locked, Dynex. And at least while raiding, we're helping researchers develop personalized medicine against cancer, Alzheimer's, MS, and diabetes. I feel like Smart, you might have a lot of money in Psy. All right, guys. Raid Elon. Okay. We're going to initiate the poll for these 4 projects. Go ahead and submit your vote, and then we will go raid one of these 4 or all of the 4, depending on what you guys want. But we also just bear in mind, guys, okay? Bear in mind, it would be beneficial to find some people who are not in decentralized science to go and raid their groups. It is just difficult because I don't exist in any of those groups, and so I don't know which ones would be beneficial to raid. Does Thread Guy have a private server? That might be really beneficial, actually. No, he's only got his Twitch. Do you think Thread's live on Twitch right now? I know he's going live later today. No. He's got 12,000 Twitch people. Let's see who else. We should go raid Jensen and tell him how stupid he sounds. Isn't it crazy? Can we just momentarily pause while you guys are voting? While you guys are voting, can we momentarily take a second to realize that that Jensen used his influence to destroy the quantum market? The dude spread complete lies, which he has to know are lies, about quantum computing, saying it's 15 to 30 years away from being useful, and caused a 50% drop. A 50% drop in these quantum computing stocks. Josh and Leo are FaceTiming me right now, so let's go ahead and answer these people. What's good, gentlemen? Yeah, I'm live right now, and so if you don't say anything you don't want on the live stream.
The biggest DeSci project of 2025.
Oh shit.
So I know your chat's been trying to get in on it nonstop, but we got some updates coming out here after you can call me and we could discuss them.
All right, I'll call you guys. Are you still gonna be on in like 30 minutes, or shall I just call and respark it?
Yeah, respark it.
Okay.
Yeah, cool. We'll jump back on.
All right, cool.
Right.
Bye, chat.
See you in a bit, brother.
Peace. We got alpha coming, guys. We got alpha coming. All right, let's see what you guys are saying. Let's see what you guys are saying. Raid Elon. I have money in many DeSci projects. We all probably have a lot of money in decentralized science projects. Roosh. Yes, Thread Guy. I don't think Thread Guy has any private groups, though. Do you guys know if he has private groups? Or raid Alex Becker? That would be bullish. We have a crew right now to go raiding. Short NVIDIA. Well, that's the thing. So Jensen lied explicitly, and anyone who knows anything about the subject material knows he's lied. D-Wave here, which is pretty comparable in tech to Dynex, D-Wave here came out and said he's just blatantly wrong, but the intent here was to manipulate the markets to get NVIDIA to go up, because NVIDIA benefits explicitly from people believing that quantum is a pipe dream, right? Nvidia's stock benefits explicitly from people believing that. And so while the quantum market tanked yesterday, Nvidia kind of like held strong. They didn't necessarily go up, but they like stopped any bleeding that was happening. Pretty crazy to see that level of market manipulation. He should probably get fined for something like this, but I know he won't, because that's not how the regulators don't give a shit when stuff like this happens. They give a shit when we make money as the little guys. He wanted a better entry, probably. We could raid Luke Belmar, true. Damn it, Camille. Why'd you delete that message? I was hoping that went more leaky. I know. I'll be able to leak some stuff after the live stream when I get off the call with them. I'm guessing it's related to Zaya. Yeah, most likely. Most likely. Okay, so it looks like we'll be raiding the Psy chat right now, as it appears that 43% of you guys want to raid Psy. Hell yeah. Sorry, SpecTruth. I will, however, drop your stuff in here. SpecTruth has been a loyal member in the chat for a very long time. So everyone go just do us all a favor and support some of the cult members here. Go support his agent. Yeah. Empowering veterans with AI-driven mental health solutions. So it is not only a good cause, but it is an agent and it is a loyal member in the chat. So everyone go show your support whenever you feel that it's worth it. He probably sold a call or bought puts, maybe both. Honestly, he should have bought puts and done that, but that is explicitly manipulating the market. But let's go raid the Psy chat, and then let's see if we can find Alex Becker, or if Thread Guy has a private room, or Alex Becker has a private room, or Luke Belmar has a private room. I think those would be crazy good chats to raid. Or Ty, if Ty, or you said TY, thank you. You're welcome. I read it, Ty. Okay, let me get the Psy group. View group info. Can I invite people into the group? Or is it not allowed? Can I please invite people in? Or we'll have to go to Poseidon. TRDL. Isn't it TLDR? Telegram. Let's go ahead and grab this. Control C. Let's raid. Raid. Danny. Damn, I'm late. Damn it, Danny. Bullish, C90. Yes, please report back after finding out. Because everyone go join the PoseidonDAO chat and let's just spark up some conversation. The goal here is to initiate conversation in the chat and spark up some excitement for one of our bags. I gotta get all my other chats out of here. Okay, let's go ahead and put that down. Let's go ahead and delete that. Delete. GM. Here we go. Welcome, JCam. Yes, Camille, Alex Becker, Luke Belmar, or Thread Guy. If we can find out one of them has a private community, after we are finished in the PoseidonDAO community, we will go raid a non-DeSci community to get them excited about decentralized science. But let's go ahead and get some excitement here in the side chat. How do you do this? Is this /whale? I think that's one of the, right? Nope. All right, delete that. How do you get that chat to see, or how do you get that command that shows you the whale chart? Damn, look at that bounce. That is a strong bounce. So 100,000 in a single buy is going to happen soon. Most likely, yes. It seems inevitable. Slow mode. They're anti-raid. There we go. Whale chart. Thank you, Zach. Ooh, we also got Ward with the MC chart. This is bullish. This is why, guys, I think we're going above $10 per Psy pretty quickly. My personal opinion is that Psy's like base case for just like a net neutral would be around $10, which is only like a $30 million market cap. I think that puts it where it should be in the current market, in my honest opinion. I think at the peak bull run, we could see close to $100 per Psy, which would put it up at $250 million market cap. I think that is a fair estimate for peak bull market activities. And so we're currently sitting down at what, like $3, which is pretty crazy to see. Definitely $100 when locking comes available this quarter, and $250 million market cap, then super easy to attain if you think about it. It's $3.60 right now. Actually kind of crazy how discounted this thing has gotten in the current crash that we're experiencing. But the chart's still holding up really good, actually. I'm gonna go ahead and leave my circle there. This is where I think we're headed, guys. I know it's a little bit of a tall ask, but we got 2 weeks to get there. Oh my goodness. Where is everyone? Where are all of you guys? Raid Agent Stacy. No, Derek, we're just gonna shill your bags. The community voted for Psy. We had 28 votes, 42% for Psy. And none of you guys are gonna join? I'm just kidding. I gotta calm down a little bit with my demands. Looking at the purchases, you can see that the whales are coming in bullish. Yeah, for us to be sitting at a $10 million market cap is kind of crazy for this thing. Anyone who is not familiar with what PoseidonDAO is, they are personalized health medicine. So they have officially got their LinkedIn, which is kind of crazy that they have a LinkedIn, but they are focused on personalized healthcare. Let's see if we got a thread. Yeah. What is personalized medicine? It is an innovative approach to healthcare that customizes treatments based on an individual's unique genetic makeup, environment, and lifestyle. As you guys may or may not know, your genetics do not just stop at your DNA. You have what's known as epigenetics, which is the proteins that are influenced by your environment, which kind of surround your DNA, which actually influence how your DNA is read. So you get like a little bit of a code. Your DNA is like code, and then you have all these little projections off of your code, which will actually stop the reading, start the reading, influence what is actually read, and that is all based off your environment and lifestyle, which is why it's important to stay healthy. So why does it matter? Traditional medicine often takes the one-size-fits-all approach, but every person is different. Personalized medicine ensures the right treatment reaches the right patient at the right time. How does research make it possible? Personalized medicine begins in the lab. Of course, you guys know this. How does it work? It starts with data, lots of data. Scientists analyze your genetic background, which helps identify what works best for you. How does PoseidonDAO fit? At PoseidonDAO, we're funding research that makes personalized medicine a reality. By decentralizing funding, we empower scientists to uncover life-changing treatments faster and more equitably. Never has never will. What? Oh, never has, never will. Okay. I was like, how high was I when I wrote that? Never has, never will. So they're focused on personalized healthcare medicine. Hopefully you guys understand the kind of picture here. You can think about it as if you go to get a cancer treatment, they just kind of radiate your entire body and hope that they kill the bad cells before they kill all the good cells. That is literally the approach. That's obviously not good. That's never going to work. That's a very, very crude way to go about treating something. And so what PoseidonDAO is trying to do is trying to help with the personalized treatments. So you can go in, get your genetics scanned, get your entire sequence scanned from your DNA, and create customizable treatments that work more effectively with you, specific to you. So the TAM is basically the entire universe, the entire healthcare industry, but they're looking really good. Only the paper hands will regret not loading up now. Diamond hands unite. Luckily, there was no vesting, so they're out now. I know. Exactly. A lot of the pre-sellers are out. This thing's going to fly when the market heats back up. It really is. If you actually do some analysis on Psy on the actual chart, whenever like you zoom into some specific areas, let's go to the 1 minute. Hopefully we can find, like, for example, this person right here who just bought not too long ago. Let's go look at what was purchased. $20,000. So you go look at this. Like, there's a lot. Now this person sold for some reason. They sold $18,000 worth, but that's quite, no, I hate when I do that. How do I get this back? There we go. Like, the whales move inside. The whales move the markets pretty aggressively. So this person has just bought 20 grand worth an hour ago. And they dumped a little bit more, right? But still, the whales are paying close attention to PoseidonDAO, which gives me some good confidence that when the market turns around, those types of people will come right back into the market to try and grab up the supply. It's just like you have to trade with the trends. And so the trend traders, a lot of the people who have a disgusting amount of money, want to wait until the bottom has been established. The bottom won't be established in most altcoins until Bitcoin dominance starts trending down again. It's chilling up here, which is not what we want to see. We want to see it go into the circle square. If you're bullish on DeSci, you're bullish on personalized medicine. All right, as soon as fast mode's off, there we go. It is the inevitable conclusion to decentralized science. There we go. People only buy green candles, exactly. A lot of people with a lot of money chase the green candles. That person has lost money. I know. I don't understand that kind of mentality, C90. Like, why would you buy just to sell a moment later? Like, yeah. I saw the first wallet, I think, that had lost money on Bill, which was crazy to me. But I know that I'm coming from a stance of knowing what's coming for Bill. But, like, why would you lose money on a project right now? You have to actually try to lose money on projects at this stage in the market. Not saying you can't lose money on like little random coins that you toss some money at that aren't core positions, but like projects that are worth being core positions in your portfolio, not financial advice. I'm just saying, like, core positions in my portfolio, let's say, projects that I have deemed worthy of being in the portfolio, like PoseidonDAO, you have to try to lose money on this thing. All you have to do, in my opinion, is just hold on for a little bit. It's like crazy to me. Now, I know I'm getting a little bit too aggressive with shilling stuff, and I'm probably not supposed to say things like that, but I said it, and I'm not going to say it again. Yes, I do, smart money. I also know that Chris and Mac from Axon are advisors on PoseidonDAO. I know that. I am also an advisor on PoseidonDAO, an advisor on their marketing side of things and getting them collaborations and partnerships and such. So, like, take that into account too when I'm saying all the things that I'm saying. But, like, you actually have to try. Like, whoever this person who just sold $2,500 worth is actually crazy to see. Oh my God. So they are a pre-sale person who's just slowly getting out of it, but more aggressively now that the market's going down. It's funny. Why US dumping now? We had a stream about it the other day, Beagle, but the US market is dumping right now because the US economy is too good. Counterintuitive, huh? Not really. We have a celeb in the chat. LFG. LFG. US is here and we aren't dumping. Bullish. Can you pull up the website of PoseidonDAO? For sure. I would love to. Would love to do that. Let's go back to the X. Let's pull up PoseidonDAO.com. Yeah, whatever. So, revolutionizing research funding for personalized medicine. purchase Psy right at the top. Fund your research, become part of the community, their token model. So this is another thing. Their DAO is a little bit more unique than some of the other DAOs in that they have 2 tokens. So they have the Psy token for governance, and then they have the Po token, PoSci, as a reward for after you do governing proposals, and they reward you with more Psy tokens, which is really cool. So it's the only DAO I've seen that has a dual token incentive model to actually partake in the DAO governance. So here's their token allocation. 11% for the public sale, which is totally in the market already. They totally, no vesting. Private sale, no vesting. The foundation gets 37% so that they can kind of guide the DAO in the initial phases, and then 32% for the community, 15% for DAO operations. So they've already done the audit of the token. They've already deployed the DApp on Base, I believe. They are opening the funding proposals right now, and then they will fund the initial cohort this quarter, and they're developing We Kira instead of I Kira. Instead of IP, they're doing We P. Pause. But it's more inclusive intellectual property. It's fun. It's cool. Let's go look at the research. Submit your proposal now. We fund research that brings the right treatment to the right patients. I know that they already have a series of research proposals in the back end. They have not announced anything with them yet because they're waiting and finalizing some of the contracts. But these proposals are pretty important to the longevity of the project. Yeah, I have smart money, absolutely. I try my best to see everything, but CZ from Binance co-founder and former CEO. CZ is super bullish on DeSci. Did he tweet this? Did he tweet it, or did BAI Nance tweet it? Yeah, see, this meme account of it, they have a token too, is super bullish on DeSci. He replied. Okay. All right, cool. There we go. There we go. After your academy school for kids, would you consider raising funds to support disease prevention, like donate to the lab or something? DeSci can help raise funds for scientific research labs. CZ is super bullish. He explicitly said he was bullish and investing on 3 things: artificial intelligence, decentralized science, and blockchain technology. Those 3 things. So, thus the creation of the AI agent to educate on decentralized science, because he also has his own Giggle Academy, which is focused on education. Oh, someone on X, I had something up over the X chat, so I couldn't see it, but Becker doesn't have a private community. He has Neo Tokyo, but it's NFT gated. Okay, so no Becker chat. Can we know of any other projects out there or any other communities that exist in the crypto market? So Becker's out. Does and I think Thread Guy is out. What was the other one? Luke Belmar. Does Luke Belmar have a private chat that we can all join and raid for DeSci? You think we can hit a $250 million market cap? Yes, I do, comma. But market has to be... Yes, I do. No, I do. I do think we can. Even CZ is bullish on Psy. Facts. It's true, though. It's true. No, it was the real CZ bullish. The Bitcoin monthly looks like it's about to correct downwards heavily. 80 to 70K wouldn't be crazy pullback. Alt's going further. The insane buying opportunities, if so. It could absolutely, Emil, absolutely. I tend to believe that it won't do that right now, but it absolutely could. I think personally, Bitcoin is reiterating what we did back here. In my opinion, we're doing this little lock period where we trend sideways for 65 days. So 2 months of trading sideways. We had a range, we popped up, we popped down, touched off the 100-day moving average, which we did back here as well in the same little trend sideways period. It was the same exact setup. We did it back here. We did it again here. I think we might do it again here, in which we trade sideways for about 2 months, which we are in the middle of right now. I think maybe what we see is a breakdown to the 100-day moving average, which would be around 85,000 if it happened right now. And then we see the roaring upwards again for the next leg. Hopefully that takes place. We'll have to wait and see. None of you guys want to find out for me, huh? Do you think now is a good moment to get a bag of Dynex? I literally bought some the first thing I did this morning when I woke up. I bought some yesterday. I bought some the last week. I bought some last month. I've been accumulating Dynex since it was 50 cents. This is when I started accumulating back in June. And I'm down on the position overall. But I literally cannot stop myself from buying more, especially with getting things like the private demo we got in the Discord and getting things like the constant updates we're getting from Yeti and Dan. Like, I can't stop myself from accumulating more and more of this thing. That's not mean that you guys need to do it as well. You guys first need to go understand what the implications of quantum computing is. I mean, truthfully, if you guys want to hold back and be responsible investors, if I'm out here, you have someone telling you that they're creating Dynex to be one of the largest positions in their portfolio. At the same time, you get the #1 AI tech developer in the world, Jensen, the CEO of NVIDIA, out here saying that quantum computing was 30 years away from becoming anything. I firmly disagree with him, and I think that, I mean, we've seen it explicitly that he's wrong, but maybe he's not wrong. You need to balance yourself. It's a $20 million market cap. I think this thing goes to be worth $10 billion in a peak bull run euphoria this cycle. So I think we could see a $10 Dynex, a $100 Dynex, excuse me. I think we could see a $100 Dynex this cycle if we do see artificial intelligence and quantum computing merge, which, again, guys, let's go ahead and just look at what Dynex is doing. I know I always talk about it, but it's for good reason. I've not ever been this vocal about an investment that I made. Like, I make a lot of investments and I talk about a lot of stuff, but I usually don't talk about it this much. It's just very rarely do you find things like this, in my honest opinion. They already have quantum as a service getting on AWS right now. And where is it? Oh, they just posted it yesterday, right? Now would be a good time to insert an ad, says YouTube, which means we're probably up near the peak of viewers. 47 concurrent. Please, guys, like the live stream. We go live Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to talk about decentralized science. Today is raid day. I turned up just at the right time. Your ears must have been ringing, Yeti. Your ears must have been ringing. I just think it is silly for that individual, Jensen, to talk about how quantum computing is a pipe dream to happen in 30 years when we see it firsthand that projects like Dynex are breaking records left and right and launching or working on their quantum large language model. So he just doesn't know what's happening, and that's okay. You can be ignorant. It's just like you want to not have that. You guys want an ad right now? Really? Maybe I should invite Mr. NVIDIA to a tech demo and really show him just how far away quantum is. I agree, Yeti. If you can get Jensen to agree to a tech demo, yeah. Patrick has dreams about Dynex. Beagle, what are you sneaking into my dreams? How do you know that? Okay. They want an ad right now, so let's hit them with an ad. I just had someone sneak over and look in the door to see if I was still live streaming. Insert the ad. You want to come say hello? You know what's funny?
What?
YouTube will prompt me when it thinks I should do an ad, and they ask me to do the ad.
Oh, interesting.
Bullish on ads.
What kind of ad are we gonna do, or what's
I don't know. I just hit this button and it inserts an ad.
Interesting.
Say hello to our pristine guest, Mandy.
Aw, pristine. That's so sweet. Hi, everybody.
We're doing the raid day. We were raiding PoseidonDAO's chat, and then we were gonna go try and raid a non-DeSci community, but I struggle to find any that are not DeSci related. So
Interesting.
Hey, Amanda.
Hey, Yeti. Hey, everybody. Yeah, I was running out. I didn't know. Are you still alive for a few more minutes?
I was going to be, yeah.
Okay.
Why?
Yeah, we'll talk later.
Do you want me to mute the mic? Is
No.
it something I need to
No, it's not. It's not that important. No.
Okay.
I was just gonna tell you about my astrology appointment.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Don't forget anything.
I won't.
All right, cool.
Okay. All right. Well, have fun, everybody.
Good luck out there.
Don't sweat the red.
Yeah. Noble words there.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye. Have fun.
Okay.
A quick little drive-by guest appearance. There you go. Okay, cool. I was like, Lofty, you're in the chat. What do you mean, can someone send you the Telegram link? But I get it now. So /link. Okay, what's going on? Hello, Bill Nye CEO. Facts. The one and only DeSci couple. Hell yeah, Rushka. Mindy holding mad cash in that crossbody bag. No, we don't own cash. You know what's funny? I realized the other day, I'm using like $500 worth of silver as a phone stand when I take meetings. I put my phone like this against it so that I can take phone meetings sometimes. And I like was just sitting here thinking, and I was like, my phone stand is just a stack of silver coins that I use. It's kind of funny, but that is my real world assets. This is for when the zombie apocalypse happens and I can start paying for things in gold tokens or silver tokens. Sorry. It's Miss DeSci. Let's go. Mad flex. It is kind of a flex, actually. I was thinking about that. It is quite the flex. So you guys don't have any, we don't have any communities that we can go raid. Let's keep looking. Ooh. Top performing DeSci projects today. Let's go. The decentralized science DeSci movement is unstoppable, and these projects are leading the way in transforming how science is conducted, funded, and shared. Let's break them down. Bullish. Let's go raid this thing. Bill Nye CEO is your real world asset. Aw, Rushka, she's gonna love that. Beanstalk community. We've raided them like 3 times though. That's the thing. Let's do Dynex. Yeti is here. I like that. Let's actually raid Dynex. After we raid this post, let's go raid Dynex, and then we can wrap it up with some secret alpha if Yeti is still in the chat. Origin Trail, the decentralized knowledge graph powering trusted data for industries like supply chains, healthcare, and research. Damn, Bill. VitaDAO. Bill is obsessed with VitaDAO, and I can't get it out of his head that Molecule DAO does not have a token. He consistently is like, Molecule DAO. And I'm like, they don't have a token, Bill. Chill. VitaDAO, community-powered DAO funding longevity research. Partners, Pfizer and Shine. Bullish. Research Hub. Bullish. Damn, Bill, this is a really good post. Dynex, let's go. Let's go, Bill. Let's go. Molecule, see, a marketplace tokenizing intellectual property for research. Okay. Why it's essential. Breaking funds, barriers, aligns incentives for research and investors. Hell yeah, Bill. Amazing post. Absolutely amazing. Remy here asking, amazing agent, Bill. Thanks for sharing these infos. What are your thoughts on Hellas? Does it seem like a nice project and innovative? It is certainly innovative. Those of you who don't know what Hellas is, they are a super small one token project. So they only have one token, which is why it's worth 320,000, because that is the current market cap of the one token. Full disclosure, I own part of this token. I thought it was a pretty novel little idea here, simply having the one token. They're trying to fund prosthetics, but pretty cool, actually. A super small market cap. I bought mine like back here. So just full disclosure, everyone. Is Molecule still launching one in the future? From my sources, the answer is no. They don't seem keen on launching their own token anytime soon. Raid creator bid. Facts. No, I want to raid Dynex. Everyone pump my bags. Come on. Pump my bags, please. I'm just kidding. I don't need you guys to pump my bag. Bill's got a wedding ring on. Really? Uh-oh. Bill got married? Where is the post? Damn, Bill. Damn, Bill. Bill's married to the game. He's even got a head statue of himself behind him. Bill is married to the game. God damn. Who's the lucky guy? Recorded that. Oh, great. No, Beagle, please. That's really good analytics. 203 views, 18 likes. That is really good engagement on Bill's posts. Bill's been growing faster than anyone I see out there. He's almost at 1,500 followers. Okay, Dynex. Let's go get some Dynex stuff going. Dynex. Let's see their jobs first. I like staying up to date on their jobs. We are 9 days into the month and they've conducted 40,000 subscription jobs, looking like another record-breaking month. Honestly, looking like a crazy record-breaking month. How many days are in this month? 30? 31. So if we have 40,000... No, hold on. We have 31... divided by 9 equals times 40,473. It's looking like we're going to have 100. If we keep this pace for Dynex jobs, we'll have 139,000 jobs this month, which is far surpassing last month's 84,000, which surpassed the previous month's 70,000, which surpassed the previous month's 21,000. It is growing quicker and quicker and quicker. I can't wait until this time next year when we see these giant bars down at looking like these little bars. That's going to be fun. That's going to be real fun. But that's not what we came here for. We came here to get the links to their Telegram, which I didn't even know they had a Telegram. Cancel. Grab this. Control C this. Control V that. Enter this. Dynex, Dynex, Dynex. Is this where I come for Dynex support? I think I have a problem. Damn it, slow mode. I can't stop purchasing the token. I don't know that I'm supposed to be saying this kind of stuff, but 15,000 members, nice. Their community's stacked. There's a lot of people in these chats. A lot of people know about Dynex. It's just like we talked about earlier. A lot of people don't buy discounted assets. I know it goes against my investment philosophy, and this is mine, so you come up with your own. If you don't want to buy discounted assets either, that's up to you. I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. I'm here to showcase my journey through this investment journey that I'm on. The way that I handle the markets is I find assets that the market isn't talking about. They're not located, right? And then I do my valuations to come up with where I think the valuation should be at and where I think it could go over X duration of time. And then if the current price is below where I believe the valuation should be and is at a point in which I can get my desired returns, which, just to be transparent with you guys, during like normal investments, I'm trying to get 20% APY. I'm trying to get 20% yearly. Crypto investments, I'm trying to get a 10x. I know it's a giant difference. I understand that. If it fits in my valuation models, I scoop some and I buy some. And if it goes lower, I buy more. And if it goes lower, I buy more. And I don't, unless I'm proven wrong, right? I stay up to date on the news from the company and the reports from the company. And unless I'm wrong in my thesis, I continue to grab more and more and more. The most recent example for this in the normal financial markets was Palantir. Before I pivoted into crypto, right around, I think it was $12, I was like, this is disgusting how cheap this stock is. $12 is a sham. That's like free money. And Palantir is one of the only true AI plays in the stock market. And so like, I just scooped it up and I scooped it up and I scooped it up. I got my average cost basis down to like $8 on this thing. And then it skyrocketed. I just had to sit through an extended period of time in which I was underwater, a full year. But now you fast forward and it's up almost 1,000% from where my cost basis was, right? And so I know that's a little bit like most people want instant gains. Instant gains are hard to come by in normal market conditions. Now we're in crypto markets, so everyone is expecting those instant gains. And I think we will see that for Dynex. It's just a matter of maybe it doesn't happen. And so far it has not been happening, for me at least. With this one, it's already been 6 months of me accumulating and we've just gone down. But again, that's how a lot of my investments happen, right? Again, the same thing happened with Research Coin. And I know it's probably boring for you guys to hear this, but it's good to kind of level yourself and your expectations sometimes. We're at the point in the market cycle in which everything just kind of skyrockets, but it is important that you remember that sometimes you enter into positions and you get absolutely cooked at first. And if you understand what you're invested into, then it doesn't bother you as much as if you don't understand what you're invested into, right? When we first started talking about and entering into Research Coin, it got crushed. It went down 60%. And that looks like an absolute rug pull. It was almost 6 months and we got absolutely wrecked on that position. Except when you look back, it was at a penny. It was at 2 pennies. Now we're chilling up at $1 and people are now starting to accumulate some crazy positions in it, waiting for it to go to $10, right? You just have to curb your expectations. Now, hopefully you guys had enough time to do the small math, right? To get into the chat. 1-800-GAMBLER. Oh my God. Hello, I hold it too. Bullish, Zaj. Ooh, Zaj has the Bill Nye ticker. So does Beagle. Let's go, guys. Let's go. The Bill Nye represents. I think I have a problem. Solidarity. Only a matter of time when this project skyrockets. Jensen wishes he knew about Dynex. Patrick, I need to retire by 5 p.m. What can we do? What can we put our $7 in to make this happen? Dynex or Research Coin? That's the kind of stuff I actually get, though. Not that desperate of a message, but I get stuff like that pretty aggressively. They're like, can you please help me with my investment portfolio? I need to make a lot of money as quickly as possible. And I'm like, you're not in the right spot then. Go get a job. What you're looking for is not an investment opportunity. What you're looking for is a 9-to-5. Go get that. Get some money and then come back. Or dedicate your entire life to one specific cause for 3 years. And then at the end of the 3 years, you might have made enough connections and impact on the market that you start getting some money. And if you can't do that, then, all right. I'm starting to get really hungry though. And I've been rambling for 1 hour and 15. I expect to see you guys in the chats here, okay? Today was a very good live stream. It was fun and entertaining, at least I think. Let me know what you guys think of the chat. Did you guys enjoy? Gotta have patience. Yes, you do. Jensen wishes he knew about Dynex. I am the one who wrote that comment. I need to go call Josh and eat some food. I said, look, not even PS Crypto needs a car. Just walk everywhere. Exactly. I told a coworker that exact thing. He said he needs to turn $400 into $4,000 for car repairs. If that's your objective, you're just not going to make it. You're just not going to make it. If you want to take a small amount of money and turn it into a large amount of money to go buy a car, that's the wrong mentality. You need to just think about the longevity of these things. Bill can help with that $7 investment. I'll put my wallet address. If you give me your $7, I will turn around and give you nothing in return. Your time is your most valuable asset. Hopefully this is worth investing it into. I will try and keep you guys updated as I hear more and more information. Sorry we waited to raid Dynex until the very end of the stream, but it is worth being in this chat either way. So definitely stick around and listen to what is said here, because you're not going to get more accurate information on the current state of the quantum computing market than if you're related to Dynex to some capacity. So your time is your most valuable asset. I already said that. I'll see you guys in the next live stream. Peace out.